Connects an aftermarket stereo to the factory radio harnesses. Not compatible with factory amplified systems. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory quality wire and connectors. Standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. AF standard wiring color codes. Wiring harness for 2000 up Volkswagen, BMW. Wire harness to connect an aftermarket stereo receiver to select 2002 up Audi, BMW, Volkswagen vehicles. Designed specifically to fit the compatible vehicles. Plugs into the factory harness without cutting any wires. Made from OEM quality materials. Top reviews from the United States. Compatible. Fit in my 2009 VW Jetta.